So, hi everyone, this is Guda Taha, and this is my presentation for the final project of our course. The topic of my presentation is how to understand the word syllables and stress in English. So my two objectives for this session would be, how can we divide English words into syllables, and how can we identify the stress syllable in English words? So before discussing the main component of these two objectives, I need you to read these words for me. How can we pronounce this word? Is it police or police? What do you think? Police. Perfect. How about this one? Is it vacation or vacation? Vacation. This one is quite familiar. All of you know exactly how can we say it. It's education. And how about this word? Is it record or record? The last one, object or object. Okay, let me read all of them again. So police, vacation, education, record, and object. But why do we have different ways of pronouncing words in English? Because in English, one of the main components when it comes to speaking and pronunciation is syllable. And you can think of a syllable as a phonetic chunk, a phonetic group of sounds that are pronounced together. But the idea of syllable is already there in Arabic also, but in Arabic, it's a monotonous language. So it gives all the chunks equal importance when it comes to pronunciation. So for example, whenever we have an Arabic word, you will have the same pronunciation in monotonous way. So if we think of the word to write down, which is kataba in Arabic, we will find out that all the syllables are the same. Consonant plus vowel, consonant plus vowel, and consonant plus vowel. When it comes to English, we have the same concept of grouping of sounds together to have syllables, but this grouping is not like that of Arabic. So for example, in English, we don't have one tone in the word. We have more than one tone. So here, presentation, this is how we say this word in English. So we have groups of sounds, and then one of these sounds is quite remarkable, quite noticeable than the other two. So here in English, we have, for example, this word, things. How many syllables do we have? In English, it's quite different from Arabic. Wherever we have a consonant in Arabic, we have a vowel following it, but in English, this is not the case. So here, for example, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 letters and just one syllable. But in Arabic, we have 6 letters and 3 syllables. So in Arabic, usually we tend to insert a vowel after every consonant, while in English, this is not the case. So here we have 2 consonants and then 1 vowel, and then we have 3 consonants. Here we have 1 consonant and 1 vowel, 1 consonant. So thanks, exam, and then we have man. So how can we count down the number of syllables in an English word? One easy way to count down the number of syllables in an English word is to clap your hands, just like this. One clap means 1 syllable. For example, thanks. How many claps do we have? Just 1, so it means it has 1 syllable. And another way is to knock down. So thanks. So knock anything, just like this. So this is 1 syllable. So I, it's just 1 syllable. My, just 1 syllable. Watch, just like this, it's 1 syllable. So whenever we have a knock or a clap, just 1 syllable. Another trusty way of finding out the number of syllables in English is to use the vowel sounds in the word. So count down the vowel sounds in a word, and you will be able to tell the number of syllables in a word. So for example here, let's go for this word. How many syllables do we have in this word? Open. So we have two vowel sound. One, O, and then we have pen, we have two. So here we have two syllables. How about the last one, vacation? We have vacation. Again, we have three syllables because we have three vowel sounds, not vowel letter, because T-I-O-N, we have two vowel letters, but they are pronounced as just one vowel. And when it comes to April, we have two vowel sounds again, because we have A and then we have the schwa, April, or the syllabic L. And we will we'll touch on this later on. What do you mean by syllabic L? So the distribution of syllables, the syllables pattern in English is different from Arabic because it can contain one consonant plus one vowel, like go, my, no, we, or it could contain one vowel plus one consonant like F, egg, ice, or it could have just one consonant followed by one vowel and followed by one consonant. So in this case, this would be C, V, C, consonant C, V, and then we have C. So in this case, we have, again, 10, nose, and mouth. Okay, so do you have any questions so far? If you don't, let's practice this. I need you to use whatever applications do you have to find out how many syllables are there in these words. What do you think? You can guess or you can tell me because all of these words are quite familiar. So you have just 1 minute to think, and then we are going to discuss the answers together. Okay, would like to answer the first one. How many syllables are there in ocean? 1? No, because we have 2 syllables. 2, yes. Let's go to the next one, which is vacation. We have already answered this. Yes, it has 3. Let's go to the next one. We have April. What do you think? How many syllables? 3? No. 1? Is it April? 1 or 2? 2. Perfect. Finally, we have this word take. What do you think? 1. Perfect. So again, count down the number of syllables is based on finding out the number of vowel sounds in a word. So another thing that makes English pronunciation differ from Arabic pronunciation is the way English words treat syllables. Not all the syllables in one single word are the same. One of them must be special, must be the precious one, the one that is given the whole amount of payment, or the whole amount of, attention and the whole amount of care within the word. So here in English, whenever you have a word that contains more than one syllable, one of these syllables must be stressed. And what do you mean by stressed syllable? It means it is longer than the other, it is higher than the other, and it is louder than the other. Let's have this word, Saturday. How many syllables do we have? We have 3 syllables, right? 3 vowel sounds. So where is the stressed one? Where is the highest? Where is the longest? Where is the loudest one? So Saturday, what do you think? This is the first one. So Saturday, so longer, louder, and higher. So whenever we have this, it means this is the stressed syllable. Okay? And usually finding out the stress syllable is highly significant because, again, it can cause some miscommunication or misunderstanding whenever you are using the language. So I remember when I was studying the state and A lot of people were asking about some payment to be given in advance before having a car or an apartment. And I used to ask about the deposit amount. And a lot of people were saying, what is deposit? And later on, they tended to correct me and they said deposit. What do you mean by deposit? Deposit is a security payment you usually are asked to pay for using something. So in this case, deposit, not deposit. What went wrong was that I tended to stress the wrong syllable. The second one is a stress syllable, but I tended to stress this first one, which was wrong. So stress syllables or stress pattern in English are not fixed. Maybe in one word we have the initial syllable is stress, or the second syllable is stress, or the last syllable is stress. So whenever we have this long O, this bigger O, it means this is a stressed one. Whenever we have the smaller O, it means this is the unstressed one. So we have April, the stressed one is the first. We have July, the stressed one is the second. We have Saturday, the first. We have tomorrow, we have September, the stressed one's the second, and the stressed one is the last in words like 17, 21, and afternoon. All of these are the stress syllable. So how can we know where is the stress syllable? One easy way to find the stress syllable is to use dictionaries. So any kind of dictionaries like Merriam-Webster, Cambridge, all of these, Oxford, Longman, all of these. Just write down the word and try to find out where is the apostrophe. Whenever you find the apostrophe, it means the one that has the apostrophe is a stressed one. So here we have the word education. This is a stressed one. Okay, do you have any questions so far? Okay, let's practice this. So just try to open up on your via your mobile devices any of these dictionary or any application you have of any dictionaries, and let's practice this together. Okay, where is the stress syllable in this word? The first one? No, it's determined. The second one is the correct one. Let's go to the next one. Vacation, we have already answered this. So yes, well done. The last one, information. What do you think? The third one. Well done. Excellent. So as an assignment, what I need you to do is to use Flipgrid. And Flipgrid, for those who are not familiar with it, is a video sharing platform. You need to sign up, and just after you're done signing up, you will be able to record the video about anything. It's just like TikTok, guys. And if you don't know how to use it, you just need to watch this video, how to use Flipgrid and how to record the video using Flipgrid. So what I need you to do as an assignment is to read this for me, but before reading, you need to do some kind of finding out the multisyllabic words and find out the stressed one to make your pronunciation much natural. And another thing that I need you to do is to participate, and this is an optional task, to participate in the podcast discussion topic, which is about a country you would like to visit, okay? So I need you to know what is a country, to tell me what is the country, why do you want to visit it, and what are the two things that you are gonna do there. So do you have any questions so far? If you don't, so today we discussed how to divide English words into syllables, and finally we know how to identify the stressed syllable in a word. It means where is the stronger, the loudest, the highest, and the loudest one. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much, and have a great day.